What's the meaning of attuned? Attuned. Attuned.
Attuned. Attuned. Attuned means being in harmony or fully aligned with something, whether that be a situation, person, or environment. It implies a sense of sensitivity, awareness, and responsiveness to the circumstances at hand, allowing for better connection and understanding. Being attuned can result in a deeper level of communication and a greater ability to empathize with others. It can also help in achieving personal goals and finding greater fulfillment in life by remaining tuned into one's surroundings and inner self.